Just got this Roedix air duster. Pretty fantastic. 3 speeds, completely adjustable. And it's chargeable through USB-C, which everyone has. And a bunch of different adapters for different stuff. I like this one. It's got the duster on it, you know, the brush to get in between your electronics and keyboard and stuff like that. And some other ones that allow you to blow up like small tubes and inflatables and things like that. Comes with a carry bag, owner's manual, and USB charger. It's now 6,000 mAh battery, so it really lasts well. So you don't have to buy these canned blowers anymore. Pretty awesome. Nice design. Super powerful. That's where the C goes to charge it. Cool. Cut it on like that. Wow. 3 speeds. Like, here's the speed indicator on the side here. Pretty cool. So let's put on this adapter here. This basically slips right on like that. It's only $27 too on Amazon. Let's try to blow up this guy. Man, fast. Whoa. Makes easy work of that. Very cool. Nice and taut, too. And I got a little guy here. Let's go get the other adapter. Just pop that guy on there super easily. And just turn it on. Man, super fast. Man, pretty cool. It's great for the beach, blow up toys, rafts, all that stuff. Let's go and do some other stuff with it. Oh. On the lowest setting, it's very powerful. Yeah, the cat likes it. This keyboard's a little dusty. Oh, it works in the garage. Wow. in the car. Wow. Man, pretty amazing. Love it. Great gift for the guy who's got everything.